Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to the USS Orleck for their second annual Pearl Harbor Day Remembrance car show. This is going to be the lid cam, where we take and put a camera on the bill of the hat and just you get to see what I'm looking at the car show. So it's kind of more of a first person view of what's at the car show. Anyway, we went to this car show. It was even bigger than the first year. The weather was a little bit nicer. It was a little bit rainy looking, and it kind of sprinkled a little bit, but it was at least warmer than it was the first year. Ooh, I still get the chills thinking about that first one. Anyway, we enjoyed ourselves. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy it, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, comment, share, do all the YouTubey things that make channels grow. It'd be a great help. We're trying to grow our channel like everybody else is. So anyway, let's get to that car show and rev it up for that car show. Yeah, it's under your seat. Yeah, Jack's Mopars and the Dixie Pontiacs, and looks like the Mustang Club showed up. The Amelia Cruisers. I believe so. If it ain't that black car that pulled in right before we did, it was one of them. That one? Yeah, that's Angelo.
No, recognize the hat?
Yeah. Man, there's a lot of weird stuff out here today. And of course, we got the Corvette Club here.
Saving this area for?
I don't know. There's Gordy.
I still don't see it.
Right there. Coming that way.
Yeah. I think that's Craig with him. Yeah. Alright. So where do you want to start it?
I guess right here. How do we want to approach it?
You take that side and I take that side?
That's fine.
Alright.
We ain't got to worry about the sun this morning.
No.
it tonight. Hey, do you want to party? Hey, this is rockin' band, oh, hey. Ready to get the summertime started. We put the pig in the ground, we got the beer on ice. All my rowdy friends are coming over tonight. That's right. A little Bo Diddley for you. Raffle items are open. Get your raffles. Come on, baby.
Oh no! Just a little? Well, at least all the dummies are in place, right? I like that. It like kind of makes it a little more died. Yeah.
Figure out which pocket to put the keys in. I already got your first walkabout picked out.
Yeah.
Right here, this aisle, all the way over, red car.
Yeah.
It's a McLaren with racing livery.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Alright. Well, then I'll take this next row when I get done with this one. Okay. There's old Sticker Dick.
There's some good stuff going on right here today. Every hour on the hour, starting at 10 o'clock. They're going to be shooting this cannon off. Supposed to say ready or something, I don't know. I'll say 4. But anyway, when they shoot that thing, y'all hold y'all's ears or get you some earmuffs or put your hand between your legs like they taught you in elementary school.
Hold up.
Hey,
So,
you got it grown.
we got a
What?
bunch of cool stuff, I'll tell you. I like seeing these kids around here. Bringing these kids up, doing good stuff.
Alright.
Bunch of pretty cars out here.
Bunch of different stuff out here.
Bunch of nice stuff. I smell that Maxwell.
Was that one of your fresh ones?
No.
I smell that Maxwell house, isn't it?
Hold those.
Y'all get a chance to go up there, go hang out with the Maxwell house guy, ask him about the building, ask him about the place, ask him about the business. I was told to not
Those are
to.
old.
Well, I'm from the South, and I got a Duval County education. So my enunciation ain't too good. And I say ain't, and I say y'all.
Alright, did you get those?
And I'm gonna tell y'all.
I got this side.
Okay.
You said you stopped at Greg's truck,
Yeah.
so you got to get the rest of that row.
But you
Alright.
gonna hear what
And then I got to get the rest of this row.
And you want me to...
That we can do after.
I don't have my phone.
Enjoy it.
You got yours?
Yeah.
Can I use yours?
Do you not have your phone at all?
No, it's in my purse.
Okay. Well, you may decide to go back to the truck for it.
Alright.
And when you do, grab them gloves for me.
The what? Oh, the brown gloves?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't have to do it right now.
Alright.
But if we're going to stay out here for a while, I'm going to need them.
Round of applause if y'all can. Y'all say heck yeah, hell yeah, whatever y'all want to say, I don't care. I done told y'all when I played that Hank this morning, I ain't in the mood. We can play, we can party. Because all of my rider friends. We got the champions club out here. Everybody have a big feet. Drive. Champions club is Ted Grievous. Y'all see y'all. I said that name wrong, I'm sorry. Grievous, y'all see that guy say hey. I'm telling you, don't tell me how to say his name. Because like I said, I got that Duval County education. How many of y'all got that Duval County education? Anybody? How many of y'all's from the Mason, above the Mason-Dixon line? Oh, Lord. Well, I'm from below the Mason-Dixon line, so I'm not going to say half these things right, which is all fine and dandy until you just don't like it. But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to treat you in so many ways, you better like one of them. If not, there's others. Also, we got Unmanned Systems Pilot CEO, Mr. Christopher Allen. Game of Drones, aerial photographer. Y'all need to check him out. Yeah. Good stuff right there, I'll tell you. E&J Miami Style, off of McDuff Avenue. C. Gillum, call or text.
Have faith as we do.
We go over there and
Like
see.
some
Y'all
good
going
stuff in
okay?
there, boy.
Y'all
They
going
got all
okay?
kinds of stuff in there. They canning stuff. Well, I remember I grew up delivering some rice. Woo-wee! It's good stuff right there, I tell you. Duval County Transmission and Auto Care. Napa Auto Care. ASC certified. Duval County Transmission. 36-month, 36,000-mile nationwide warranty available. Y'all check that out. I'll tell you. On Monument Road, Goodyear Tire and Service. David Preston, Napa Auto Care, your family repair shop. Wide Open Throttle Racing. Colby Jackson, racer, looking for partners. Woo-wee!
You that one, me that
Does
one?
good
That's
stuff.
fine.
All kinds of stuff on the back of this stuff. Y'all
We
check
get
him
back
out.
there, we'll go to the
CJ
car,
Winter
then we'll
137
come
at
back,
gmail.com.
walk around.
Come
Yep.
on. Hello. Also, we got Model Creations Unlimited. Model Club meeting. Meetings first and third Tuesdays, Regency Square Library. Y'all check out Jim Stratton, the president. What's up, Rex? Well, I'll tell them about them. Hey, they want to know, how long's that Maxwell House building been operating? 115 years that building's been operating. And you know,
It looks it.
what kind of coffee should we be drinking here in Jacksonville?
Maxwell House,
And you want to know why?
because I work there.
Exactly. It's Jacksonville Jobs. So when you go, I'll tell you a story. Did you know Charles Manson didn't like Folgers? I did tell you that. It's a true story.
Now I'm gonna let you tell it.
You know, one of the Folgers heiresses was actually in the house that the Manson crew went in and slaughtered that night. But Maxwell House, they're still rocking and rolling. That's right. So we drink Maxwell House coffee in my house. 150 people swinging coffee like you wouldn't believe. Good to the last drop. Hey, I see that drop. Hey, tell them to turn the light back on. I want one of them good photos. That was some pretty lights on there, man. Y'all give Rex a round of applause. Coming out, Maxwell House.
So yeah, I've been talking to the guys about it. Like, you know, don't go around the water box. You don't hang through the water box. Don't, you know, when you take off, like I'm told that, don't take off on the ring. You know, take off on the look at it. Right when you see that third yellow go, by the time you're there, it's green.
I went on the red.
Yeah.
Light came on. Red came on. Put on my belt.
Western Way, I'll tell you, they do a lot of good stuff at J-Tech. Y'all support J-Tech. Anything y'all see with J-Tech going on, y'all support that. Support the car show, support the thing like that going on. Troop 886. Meetings Tuesday at 6:30 on the USS Orleck.
That's neat.
Elementary.
Uh-huh.
You got those or not?
No, I wanted to get a picture of the pink one here and this one here on my camera.
National Guard, Military Affairs and Veterans Department. I'll check them out. Check them out.
I'm getting both sides. Is that what you're doing?
I just kind of do my 3-point shot.
Come join the fun. Model Creations Unlimited is looking for the new modelers that want to join the club with other people that enjoy this great hobby. Great way to show off your models and learn new techniques from other modelers. Model Creations Unlimited meets on the first and third Tuesday of the month starting from 6 to 8. p.m. at Regency Square Library on University Park Branch. Check the Model Creations Unlimited Facebook page for the latest meeting location. Or contact members noted below. David, Jim Strack. What Jim Strack got is the hands and everything on it. Ram 1500s and military discounts on all vehicles. For, I hope I say this right, Elia Whitrock, sales professional. Jacksonville, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram. Want to give the Corvettes Clubs a shout out. Tell them thank you for everything they're doing. I'm Greg O'Quinn, and Al Gordy's here with me. And Al Gordy's president for Callahan Cruisers. I'm vice president of the First Coast Car Council, and also vice president, co-founder with Al Gordy with the Callahan Cruisers. We appreciate y'all coming out today. Like I said, I hope I don't aggravate y'all too much, but that's all I know how to do. Let's get back to some music.
Which side?
Well, my battery's just died.
On what? Okay.
So, one of us has got to go back to the truck and get batteries again.
You go.
All right.
It's on my side. And bring back my phone.
All right.
I'll go on with this line.
Okay.
But I would go on. And a Corvette, she'll double. Are we ready now? Huh? Are we doing it? There's all kinds of things going on during the day. Yeah, I know. We're I'll probably run to the bathroom.
I don't want to walk that one. Yeah.
Which one? The blue one there?
What's over there?
Yeah, that's one of the ones I just picked out.
Yeah.
The International there.
Yeah.
This square body on the end here.
Yeah, I got couple pictures of it already.
Yeah.
He must have had a list to name everybody that.
He did. He did.
He didn't have you on it.
Yeah.
Which side you want?
I take this side.
Okay. same color?
Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of that, I left the house and didn't even think about my damn chair. I come across the tractor here. Should have left my awning and everything on here. Hey, look, James, I figured it out. Keep that shit.
But you got Mission Barbecue, Big Red Bus. Give them some advertising too on your channel.
Action News Jax is here.
Yeah, where to see them?
They're out here somewhere.
Yeah. They've evidently opened up that drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, J-Tech's here. Oh, did you get that Jeep?
What
The
Jeep?
pink one there by the tent?
No, it wasn't here.
Yeah, we need definitely probably walk that one, huh?
It just got here a while ago.
Yeah, I never seen that one.
I had a little Filipino Asian guy stopped me asking about my camera, what kind it was.
Yeah?
His wanting one that took AA batteries, and he's like, yeah. I'm like, yeah, it takes AA's. Because all these new cameras, you got to have a special battery and a special charger and all that crap.
Yeah.
How many of y'all still fine out there? Come on. Give me an amen. Yeah, we still fine. George Morris Chevrolet, Mr. Glenn Andrews. Woo-wee! Mark Excellence Award winner. Y'all need to check him out. Sales and leasing professional, George Morris Chevrolet. Don't forget we got Mission Barbecue in the house. Go get some of that. Woo-wee! Barbecue. Sweet. Ho! And then always, the Dashboard channel. He's out here getting it. He's getting with it. Y'all check him out. The Dashboard Channel. Check it out on YouTube. Here's a song from the Happy Face Killer.
Oh, yeah?
I never seen the bubble hit crack, but I work with them.
Oh, yeah. In the dark.
Yeah. I might have to get that one from the side. I got those. I got those two, but the pole's in the way.
Yeah.
Where do you want to go?
You want some Maxwell Coke?
We'll tell you more about it soon. I didn't know the prices on it. One arm link, $5. Two arm links, $10. No car links, no car links.
Aww.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Hold your ears if you got to. It's 9:59. It's coming up soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in thanking First Coast High School Navy Watson Color Guard. And also let's thank Sherwin singing our national anthem. It's a great way to get started on this December 7th weekend. Thank you, sir. And I have not had as much caffeine as our previous speaker, and I will do the best I can. But on behalf of the USS Orleck, we want to thank the Jacksonville Corvette Club, so please give a hand to the Jacksonville Corvette Club. And again, on behalf of the crew of the USS Orleck, we wanted to take this time to offer our thoughts.
That 50-50. Win half the cash, donate the rest back once you win. Did I say that out loud? So if you win half the cash back, you got to give it back. That's the rules. That's the rules.
I had up close pictures of that one too.
Which one?
That Corvette there.
We might want to walk that one. I'm not sure yet.
Yeah.
We got Mr. Pat from Veterans Memorial Club, and at 11 a.m. they're doing the.
Yeah, I got to right here, riding through.
Yeah.
On the back of the bike. Yeah.
Was there anything on this side?
Not this one. The next one.
What
That.
about way down there? That's that black Corvette second from the end?
Yeah, maybe that one.
Okay. Alright, and what?
The red hot rod over here
Yeah.
on the next one.
Yeah, I see it. Okay.
And then I'll reconvene
Alright,
after
because
that.
I know there's some on those next couple aisles too.
Yeah, there's a lot on them next couple
I
aisles.
should have brought my windbreaker.
All right. Oh man, we cooking now. We got some stuff switched up with sound. This weather's got a little bit of kinks in the system, but you know, hey, we're gonna weather through it. You know, we prayed for a good morning. I want to thank WOKV 104.5 for playing this yesterday on the radio. I was listening to Rich in the morning, and I heard this. I said, man, I'm gonna be talking there. I said, but eventually they'll want me to play music, so let's get back to that.
Oh, that's what it is? I was looking in my bag and I was like, it's for me. It's a whole window cover. Okay.
Yeah. Did you want to do that yellow car there?
I can. It's different.
Yeah. We may. I don't know yet.
Alright.
Anybody interested?
You want the green hot rod?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. The red hot rod?
Yes. Yes, that one.
I took quite a couple pictures of the lovers.
Uh-huh. Oh, I'm getting wet.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Good seeing you.
Good seeing
Mom
you.
here?
She's around.
Oh,
Oh, she's walking that little red hot rod right there.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
good.
That's something I ain't never seen before.
What?
A Durant.
Yeah.
Textile.
A portion of every book sold goes to support the women's veteran organizations. So y'all check it out. Y'all go listen. I've got some books, some great people. I'll tell you, they're good people. I like good people. Nice people. They don't hurt people. Just be nice.
He left out of the show.
Be nice. Here's a little Elvis. And Jack White, actually. Elvis Presley and Jack White. I found this little mix. I like it. It's different. If you're not into it, I get it. But it's got Elvis and Jack White. Jack White's awesome. He, with the White Stripes, he came and he worked with Loretta Reynolds and stuff.
That's only if you want to.
Yeah. Look familiar.
Yeah.
Except ours is not a Cobra.
Yep.
About the same year, isn't it?
Yeah. Same body style.
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll do that. What car show are you
Yep. I video all the car shows I can.
Oh, do you really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had. This is our third one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
$25 was pre-register amount.
Blue and white.
Yeah. And I don't know about that Chevelle next to it.
I actually got to see Robbie Krieger at the Freebird and at Jack's Beach.
Pull my britches up. Didn't get my belt tightened. Huh?
Hang on. Keep going, keep going.
Guess he's had enough.
Well, I'm surprised a lot more ain't left.
Well, I'm surprised we got any more coming in.
It started raining.
Yeah. Well, we knew we were going to have a little bit of drizzle today.
Yeah. I had hoped it wouldn't, but, you know.
You want any close-ups of any of that stuff there with the military?
I don't know. Only if you want to.
I've gone away.
Yeah.
The motorcycle. Haven't we seen all that kind of at Lawson Creek?
You mean Trout Creek?
Some of it? Yeah.
Yeah. It's all, yeah.
Yeah.
It's because it's the Military Vehicle Preservation Society.
Yeah. We got a bunch out here today.
Yep.
You'll give it up for Nicholas Blackmore with the Monsters.
Love me 2 times, I'm gone away. Love me 2 times, baby. Love me twice today. Love me 2 times.
All right. Say you're a veteran trying to get your benefit. We got the benefit experts for veterans. TrueVetSolutions.com. Y'all check it out. TrueVet. I said TrueVet. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram. Yeah, TrueVet. Veteran owned and operated. Our mission is to inform, assist, and engage in the effort to increase the quality of life for those who have served. So let me ask you, are you rated 90% or less? Find out if you are. Missing out on your benefits today by scanning the QR code below. I got a card right here with a QR code if you want to scan it, or you can go check them out at TrueVet. TrueVet on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, don't miss out. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out. I don't want to miss out either. You know what? I love me some of this. There's a little Ben Harper and the Innocent Criminals. You like Ben Harper? I like Ben Harper. Ben Harper's good stuff. I wasn't going to go with that. I was going to go somewhere else, but you know, my mind is always wondering. I don't know if it's the monster that I just got from Nicholas Blackmore, or if it's just the reason that I love stealing my kisses from my wife.
Didn't know like working bebop, did y'all? Yeah. I'm from the north side. Give me a break.
Always have to steal my kiss from you. Always have to steal my kiss from you. Always have to steal my kisses from you. Always have to steal my kisses from you. Now I love to feel that warm southern rain. Just to hear it fall is the sweetest sound of day. And to see it fall on the simple country dress. I am under me, I must. 'Cause I always have to steal my kiss from you. Always have to steal my kiss from Now I've been hanging around you for days, but when I lean in, you just turn your head away. Whoa, no, you didn't mean that. She said I love the way you think, but I hate the way you act. 'Cause I always have to steal my kisses from you. Always have to steal my kisses from you.
Because if they take out NAS, they'll take out.
Always have to steal my kisses from you.
Anytime my wife walks up, this is what I think. I think about Jerry Lee Lewis. A whole lot of shaking going on. Get it, baby.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the USS Orleck second annual Pearl Harbor Day Remembrance Car Show. We had a great time out at this car show. It was even bigger than the first year. Some unusual cars came out, some stuff we hadn't seen before. And it was a good show. We really enjoyed it. It was a good show for a good a thing to remember Pearl Harbor Day and all that stuff. Not that you want to say you're celebrating that, but you want to memorialize it. So we got to do that, and it was a great way to do it. Anyway, so that's going to be that for that car show. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, comment, share. Do all the YouTubey things that make it happy, make the channels grow, and then anyway, we're at 319 subscribers, so we are well over halfway. But we've kind of started crawling our way to 500. We've hit a slow patch. We pick up one a week. It seems like lately, which I mean that's fine. I'd like to pick up more. But it's the whole thing. I know we're headed into a slow period. Anyway, I thank all my subscribers. I love all you guys. You guys make it happen. I wouldn't be out here going to all these car shows and doing all these videos and making all this content if it wasn't for you guys watching the videos. So, thank you. And anyway, we'll see you guys out at the next car show, wherever and whenever that may be.